Hey, good morning, you guys. Happy National Beach Day. Today is a great day to go hit up some sandy beaches, and you guys live right by kind of a natural beach area, and with the heat and temperatures, I'm hoping you guys are able to go and spend some time at the beach. I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you guys, and I'm looking forward to talking with you guys real soon. We're scheduled to begin starting some more conversations and all the background stuff really soon, and I'm looking forward to uh, that opportunity. I'm uh, I'm really grateful that things are going in that direction. So I love you. I miss you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.